So to begin with, what is the subject of your article?
The subject of the article was the added value of studying embodied responses to couple therapy research, so to speak, integrating psychophysiological measures with interaction research. The original data gathering was done in couple therapy sessions in this very therapy room of our psychotherapy research center, so that these sessions were videotaped with multi-camera setting, with facial picture, and then this overall picture with 2 cameras. And then these clients and therapists were wired in these different research equipments. This is for heart rate. Then other sources of information were breathing and skin conductance, electrodermal activity of human skin. First we did some qualitative research with the interaction data. Then we had a research meeting of our bigger group, and we negotiated about what kind of psychophysiological measures would be really valid with these kind of research questions that we are asking from the data.
Could you describe the main findings of your study?
The main findings are about the neurological or neural activity, how it is rhythmic in therapy session between the client couple and the therapist dyad, and how there are some regular patterns during the session, and how these vary between the clients and therapists.
Has this subject been studied before?
This subject has been studied before, but this research setting is somehow new. There is novelty in the setting, so that for example, the measures were taken from all the participants. The therapists were part of the study in a similar manner as the clients, and this was part of the novelty. And also, I guess that this general setting of bringing this experimental part of the study into this kind of therapeutic setting it's not unique, but it hasn't been done very much.
What kind of benefits does your study provide to couples therapy?
This is a challenging question, and it is, of course, the basic question of the title of this article. One of the main findings is, of course, this idea that we are in therapeutic setting, we are as embodied persons. We are not only linguistic persons, which has been very much emphasized during the last 25 years in psychotherapy research, and especially in family and marital therapy research. But this embodied experience and this dimension of embodied experiences hasn't been emphasized this much as it is during this project, and we have been trying to find out what is the added value, how can this be used in couple therapy setting, how this just the consciousness of being measured from the psychophysiological point of view or perspective, how does this bring something new into the setting, and this rhythmicity thing that I mentioned in the beginning, that's also has been really valuable.